Hi everybody, it's Dawn and it's time for Carnival to do some more renovations on their ship. And the newest one that just went into dry dock this month is Carnival Paradise. And let's see what they're going to throw on this ship. Is it going to be a small renovation or is it going to be a large one? Well, let's talk about that right after this. Well, first off, it's going to be a major one. They're putting multi-millions of dollars into this, and they're even changing the look of the ship completely when you take a look at it and your experiences on board. So one of the things they're doing is, first off, they're adding 38 new cabins, and they're also adding 98 balconies, which, as you know, on the Paradise, there's a very lacking of balconies on that ship. And so having 98 more is going to be a welcome addition to that ship, as well as 38 new cabins. Another big thing that families are really going to enjoy is right now their water park is basically one slide, and it's, in towards the pool area, and it's a very small clustered. They've now redesigned things and they're adding much bigger slides and a much bigger water park for the kids to enjoy. So it should look more along those lines, which will be much more entertaining for kids with people with families and even adults who want to go for a water slide there than that one little slide that they had in the beginning. It's also getting some 2.0 renovations, of course. It's got to have Guy's Burger Joint. It's got to have the Red Frog Pub. You want the Blue Iguana? Well, it's going to be on this ship as well. And for those sweet tooths and everything, they're even adding cherry on top as well. All completely new and renovated. And while they're doing this, all the shops and kiosks on the ship are completely being redone, redesigned, and changed with a modern, new, fresh look. So that'll be very welcome because the ship is a much older ship. It really could use that visual change from the old style that it used to be. Two other big improvements is Camp Ocean is expanding on the ship, and that's the kids play area, so it's going to be renovated and fully a much larger, much newer area with newer things for the kids to do, and it won't look as dated as things that you would previously had a choice of doing. So Camp Ocean being on there in a bigger location is really welcome, considering this ship is basically perfect for families as far as those 4-day cruises that it's normally doing out of Tampa is concerned. And lastly, one of the other renovations that they've changed is in their photo gallery area. You know, where you would go down and you'd have to look through the photos and choose what you want. Now they're coming up with a brand new platform where it's a Pixels branded platform, it's called, and you'll be able to use face recognition and things like that you'll be able to choose and find your photos on your cell phone or at a kiosk on board. But you don't need to go all the way down to the photo gallery anymore to check things out. You'll be able to do it right through the app of Carnival on the phone. So much more convenient. So the ship is set to head back into Tampa on March 26th, and it should continue its 4-day cruises, and those are perfect little getaways for families who just want to get away for a few days. It's also really good if you're not sure if you're going to enjoy cruising or not. Well, now you can enjoy cruising and not have to be on a completely old ship to get the good price. You can get a nice 4-day cruise on a smaller ship that's been renovated with a lot of the good fun ship qualities that are on board. So that's what's going on with the Carnival Paradise. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more ship videos and more vlogs about cruising, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.